Hi everyone, my name is Ibrahim Haleem. I'm a graduate student at Northeastern University. My research is based on exploring contribution of drones towards Industry 4. So what is Industry 4? Industry 4 is an iterative version of Industry 1, 2, and 3. Industry 1 is mechanization like steam power engines and weaving loom. Industry 4 was mass productions like Ford, mass production of cars, assembly lines, and electrical energy. Industry 3 were automation, computers, and electronic devices. Industry 4 is a combination of all of them. Cyber physical system, IoT, and nodes network. So Industry 4 can be implemented in many areas like drones, AR, VR, blockchain, cloud, 3D printing, automation and advanced robotics, AI, ML, IoT, and big data and machine vision. So there were 5 research objectives to discuss and find the significant types of drones, to brief about drone for Industry 4 usage, the technical advantage that we can have, to extend of these drone can use for Industry 4 culture, and identify and discuss drone. The reason is because drones are predicted to have 127 billion United States dollars in several businesses. Notably, commercial drones will have a more significant impact on agriculture's infrastructure in the future on e-commerce. This paper discusses how drones are being implemented in manufacturing, entertainment industries, and machinery across the world. So there are 4 types of drones: single rotor, multi-rotor, fixed wing, and fixed wing hybrid, combining the both of them. So the measures that we can use for a drone are throughout aspects of IoT, utility of IoT practices, rise of AI for accurate operations to identify where our target is, where to pick stuff from, and where to give stuff to. The sensors for electric and magnetic field strength, sensor for atmospheric pressure to know where drone is, drones for cell and phone signals, humidity, and temperature. There are many more. So there are 4 dimensions of Industry 4 for drones. C, to visual inspect, monitor or film; sense, to identify, sense and thermal inspection; transform, to life-saving management, disaster management, maintenance, and spotting victims; and move is for manual spraying, delivery, and logistics with the techniques of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So the conclusion that we reached were globally, the businesses are experimenting with integrating drones in their operations as everyone is moving towards Industry 4. Drones become an apparent part, and businesses want to automate with successful implementations, such as refineries, factories, power grid, wastewater treatment plants, mines, and much more. The variety can be automated or capture information, inspect, digital innovation, check missing products, and even handle emergency circumstances with a protection for a nuclear power plant too. Thank you.